Hello, my dear friend. Welcome you once again my YouTube channel MUC Smart Learning. Today's class is Children's Right. Before move on to the subject, I am remembering to you please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now we move on to the subject Children's Right. Who is a child? As per the international law said that a child whoever may be the below the age of 18 years they may called as a child. What are the children's right and why it is important and what are the specification we go through in this class. Children's rights are the part of human rights that specify that right of protection and care should be given to children. As per Indian Constitution, they clearly mention the children's right. They said children should be protected and they given a care. For that, the children's rights are amended. What are the rights given to children as per Indian Constitution? The basic fundamental rights of a child are identity rights. That means every child should be mentioned as a certain name. That's the end title of a child. Who the child is, or which caste is belong to, which community is belong to. Like for example, a child is a Suresh or John or Ibrahim based upon the case that may called identity rights. Then second fundamental right, health right. Every children must get the health, good health and better nutritions to be a best life, a peaceful life, a healthy life. The Indian government and the parents and the society community should provide health and nutrition to the children's. Then third fundamental rights, educational rights. So in Indian Constitution clearly mentioned that every child should pursue the primary education. So that's why nowadays the child labor abolition made. So every child must have a right to educate, a primary education, because these education provide a knowledge, skills and idea to the students. Next, you may have the family life rights. Family life, nothing but every child must provide a family if they have. If family, that is father and mother is there, they cannot send him to any orphanage or any other, or they may most of the time poor people they simply sold out their child with a least caste. So it's a crime one. So family life is a one of the important rights of a child. The child must be under a family, that is a father and mother has to be a protect, take care and grow the child. Then next you may have protect from violence right. So every child should be protected from any type of violence. The mostly in India seems that sexual violence, abuse, or threatening, beating, or uncounted death of a child. So this is the very important right of a child, that is protected from violence. The next important right is opinion right. Every child has a right to submit their opinion in any decisions. For example, if parents are divorcing on the term, the child has a give their opinion from either the father side they may be living, or either in a mother side they may be living. So this is the most important one. So the opinion is the very important for the child to be protect and growth of a child. Next right, protected from armed conflict right. At the time of war, or if any internal conflict arises, that is intra-state war, or internal war, or old war occurred, on the time the child should be protected from any force armed, protect from forcefully joining into the armed in a militant, cause it creates a ill disciplinary task in the mind of a child. So this is the very important one. Every government should protect the armed conflict. It's a right of a child. The next one, protect from exploitational rights. Majority of time, I've just earlierly said to you, sexual exploitations incurred in our country. So it's a very important task. The government and family members, a society, a community must give a rights, that is protect from exploitation to the child. For example, provision of a good nutrition, provision of a good health, good food, good way of living to the child. It should not be exploited. For example, if a parent is not there, the caretaker take over of the child, means on the term the carer must provide a good things, not exploit the child. Then last one, whatever be the human rights available or provided by the Indian Constitution, all those fundamental human rights provided to the child also. The rest of this is the additional to the child's right, because a minor has to be provide a certain specific one. So that's why the Indian Constitution and as well as international human rights and international law provide certain specific rights to their child. The next most important, we children's right is important. For what purpose this right is created? Because the children's are the very important to the nation, is a future generation of the nation. The children's may be the parents in future, they may be a business person in future, they may be a politicians in future, they may be run over their nation, run over their country, or sometimes it may seems that they run the world. So these childs should be protected, provide certain rights, and for that this is the most important task. Whatever be the uh, things in a good better of a child, it should be provided. So this is why this is the most important one, it's a child's right. With this I am conclude my class. Thank you very much for patiently listening my class.